So now it's time to give him some beautiful eyeballs. So we're going to go back to our freehand tool. We're going to choose a fill color that we like for eyeballs. So we'll give him some baby blue. Oh, not that. Let's go. It's hit edit undo. So we have to select off of this guy. We're no longer dealing with this guy. So we're going to our drawing tool and we're going to say the fill is going to be baby blue for whatever I do next. And so now we're going to draw a beautiful baby blue. And because it's a closed path all the way closed, it gives it that blue color. And so I can also change the stroke color. So you can see the fill color is blue and the stroke or border color is black. I can come over here and I can change that to blue as well. All right, now it's time to do a mouth. So we're going to go to we are on our tool here and we're going to click. Nope, let's hit edit undo. So we have to select off of that. So we're going to click off. We're going to go to our drawing tool. And now we're going to let's look at something real quick. So we're going to do the fill. We're going to make the fill this color. And then we're going to do the border. We're going to do the border this color. Okay. So let's see what the result is. So I'm going to click off. So I drew something here. Let's click and hit delete on that. Okay, so I'm going to go to the drawing tool. I'm going to click and I'm going to drag around. And for my face, now notice something. Let me click off of it so you can see it. So notice the outside is black. There's no fill color on the inside because it's not a closed path. So I didn't start it and end at the same spot. So let's go ahead and select that. We're going to change that to red, give him a nice, beautiful red mouth. And the other thing we're going to do is, let's select it again. Let's scroll down. And we're going to change the stroke weight to 10. And I'm going to hit enter. And so you can see that by changing the stroke weight, that it thickened it up. All right, so let's zoom in on this thing real quick and see I want to show you something, by the way. So you gave the guy's mouth a butt cap, or I did, and we would never really want somebody's mouth to have a butt cap. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the borders, and we're going to go to the advanced features, and we're going to say where it ends, we do not want a butt cap, the dreaded butt cap. But at any rate, we're going to make it a round cap. And click that. And you can see right there where it rounded it. We'll click off, and we have that. All right, let's go to our spiel here, and let's learn what there is to learn. So we're using the freehand pencil tool. It's easier for drawing and editing freeform scribble lines. So this is an open path that starts and ends at two different places. This is a closed path that starts and ends at the same place. So that's going to work with that differently. The stroke is the line color. The stroke weight is the thickness of the line. And the fill color is the color inside a path. All right, so we drew this happy face. And so what I want you guys to know is that you can turn layers on and off. I'm going to show you this in a second. All right, so I'm going back to my layers. So I messed up somehow. I didn't get all my paths inside my layer. So I'm just going to drag them in there because I want to show you something. So I'm dragging all these things in there. And what I can do now is I can turn that whole layer on and off. So it's like I remove the sheet of plastic. And then the next piece, we're going to add in a new piece of plastic. All right. So we could turn our layers on and off. All right, let's go back to our spiel here. Okay, so we're going to now draw with the pen tool. The pen tool is way better for drawing very precisely. So you can draw straight and curved lines really precisely. So we're going to make a new layer called the pen tool, and we're going to create straight lines, a star, and so on and so forth. So let's take a look at this. So we're going to go back to our drawing. We're going to turn off this layer for now. We're going to create a new layer called pen tool. Okay, and so we're going to hit enter, and so we're going to click on that layer because we're going to be drawing in there. So now we're going to switch to the pen tool, and if you go like this, click, 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 you